Hey guys, it's Amanda. Today's video is all about removing your nail polish fast and easy. First step is to grab a cotton ball. If you haven't noticed before, you're going to see that a cotton ball is really actually just a long piece of cotton rolled up. So you're going to take this cotton ball and unroll it completely. This is also a great tip because it helps to reduce waste and you're going to save your cotton balls. Break off little pieces of the cotton so that you have one for each finger, and then you're going to take those pieces and soak them in the acetone one at a time and place them on each finger. Don't wipe, don't move them, just sit. Once you have all of your little pieces of cotton placed, they only have to sit for a couple seconds, but you're going to take the remainder of the cotton ball that you didn't break up into pieces, go to the first finger you put the cotton on, and you're going to press down nice and firm and drag outwards. That way you're not going to smear any of the nail polish on your finger or up into your cuticles. Especially with dark polishes, this can make a really big mess and can get really frustrating to clean. As you can see, I'm wiping like one or two swipes and all the polish is already gone. If there's any polish residue left behind, just take a Q-tip with acetone, wipe it away, and also be sure to get any polish that's on the underside of your nail. That area tends to get forgotten a lot, so don't skip it. After removing your polish, you'll want to oil those nails up. I really don't recommend skipping this step because the acetone strips your nails and cuticles, totally drying them out. If you're worried about the oil on your nails making your next mani chip and you feel like you want to skip this step, just keep watching. I have a tip for you. I'm also going to be doing a video in the future about how I care for my nails, and I am going to include how I make my own nail oil pens, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss that video because it is going to be coming out in a couple weeks. You can actually see on my fingers where those dry patches are that the acetone completely stripped the oils from my fingers. It's so uncomfortable. I think if I didn't oil my nails, I would be completely skeeved out. Make sure to rub the oil into your nails, cuticles, fingers, everywhere, and give yourself a nice little spa treatment. Give yourself a massage. So now let's say you're ready to put on your next mani and you need to remove the oil. You're going to grab a Q-tip and you're going to dip it in alcohol, not acetone, alcohol. I find that the alcohol is a little bit less aggressive when it comes to the skin around your nails, and it's just enough to clean off the oil residue. And then just take it, wiping only the nail plate, getting close to the cuticle, but don't wipe off all the oil that's on your cuticle. You need it. Make sure you get underneath your nails as well, so that way when you wrap the tip, that the polish has something really nice and clean to adhere to. Alright you guys, so those are my tips on how to remove your polish fast and easy. Please leave a comment down below if this helped you. I love hearing feedback from my subscribers. And until next time guys, I'm going to put on another mani. So, see ya!